Can Samsung Pay work without internet? Does Samsung Pay work without internet? So the short answer is yes, Samsung Pay can work without internet connection, but only if your cards are already set up on Samsung Pay. You can make offline payments using NFC or MST, though transaction details will sync once your device reconnects online. So how does it work? Basically, when you add a card online, Samsung Pay creates a secure token stored on your device. This token can be used offline. Uh, Basically, it works at contactless terminals without any internet required. It mimics a magnetic stripe that is used by your traditional bank account. So it's also used offline. So it's a Galaxy only feature. You make sure that you understand that Samsung Pay mostly works on Samsung Galaxy devices. Payments made offline are stored and processed once your phone reconnects back to the internet. But the short answer is yes. Thanks to tokens that would have been saved on your Samsung Pay when you loaded the cards online, you can make transactions on Samsung Pay even without the internet.